What's going on, everyone? Karen here. Video 1, open house weekend recap. House number 1, Astrowood, Summerfield, $299. So let me start off by saying this. Why do we do open houses? Open houses get way more exposure. So anyone that says you don't need to do an open house in this market is completely wrong. Because one, it is a far more reach in search criteria. Is truly a Zillow will definitely push your house because you're getting more exposure. And then two, see this road went all the way down there? That's how many people were lined up for this house. One of the offers that came over was from a buyer, and the agent said that the buyer decided to even give more money by seeing how many people were at the house. They knew that the offer that they were going to present wasn't going to win. That's why open houses work. So what happens is we have this house. We had over 100 showings. We had over 50 offers. Now this is the recap. When you have offers and you understand how many people are coming over, you have to make your offer stand out. Out of the 40 or 50 offers, whatever we had, almost 90% of them were exactly the same in the sense of 7 to 10 day inspection, little escrow. There was no difference, right? So when you're reading these off, it's the same thing. And the problem is that the agents don't realize, or the buyers don't realize, what can I make my offer, or how can I make my offer better? Well, watch my videos, okay? Some of the most amazing offers were, hey, listen, we're going to do a 2-day inspection. We're going to cross out the soulfully decision to back out. Remember, as is contract, you can soulfully back out. Now, one person, I love this one, came in really strong and then also used an escalation clause. Remember I said escalation clauses are unless you're already strong. So they were like, look, my offer is super strong. I'm going to come in with a short inspection period. And I'm going to protect my strong offer with an escalation clause. If you guys want to learn how to A, get an offer stronger when you're presenting it, let me know. And 2, or B, whatever, if you want to learn how to get more exposure in your house, open houses always work. Right here, over 100 showings, only a 2-day open house, over 40 offers, unbelievable offers. That was house 1. Let's go to house 2.